Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. My name's Nyla and I am back with another awesome vehicle. Today I am showing you a 1963 Ford Ranchero. Just look how slick that thing looks. It's got the custom bed cover on there. Super cool. Great paint job with the white and red and black offsets. Got a couple little designs on there, but just really nice. Got the red scallops on the sides. Just a nice little touch. You know, lots of updates on this vehicle as well, all listed in the description below. So I'm just doing a nice little video so you can see the exterior and interior. Brand new interior, awesome looking bench seat there. Beautiful red. Nice little chrome insets, updated stereo. This is a 4-speed manual transmission. But just look at how pretty it is. Super cool. Super cool half truck, half car. So next I'm gonna pop that hood and we'll take a look. It does have a 260 small block Ford engine underneath. And we will take a look at that next. Stay tuned. Alrighty, taking the 63 Ranchero for a spin.
It's got a really nice sound.
It does.
It's like a 265 motor, I think, in it.
Yeah, 260.
And you wouldn't think,
Small
but
block.
She sounds
good.
Real nice. Clutch feels good too. Steering also feels good. Yeah, she's nice. Got a little power too, get them to go. If you wanted to go cruising, this is a great vehicle for it. And what's crazy, I think this is actually one of like 45 or one of 47.
Okay.
So it's a really rare
car
combination. Yeah, awesome. Ford put out some cool cars
super
back
smooth.
then.
Yeah, for sure. Awesome. Thank you, Ryan. We're going to spin it around and get it up on the hoist and we'll take a look at the undercarriage.